गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों ने वक्त निकाला और आप यहाँ आए, और नए साल की शुभकामनाएं भी देना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं मिस्टर रॉनी स्क्रूवाला को शुक्रिया अदा देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत इनकरेज किया इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए, और फिर उन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट और अपनी कंपनी को उनके सबसे बेहतरीन और होनहार एसोसिएट सिड रॉय कपूर के हाथ सौंपा, एंड हमने साथ में मिलकर इस फिल्म को बनाया है। कुछ 3 साल लग गए, बहुत मेहनत, बहुत जान लगा के इस फिल्म को हमने कंप्लीट किया, और 12 तारीख को रिलीज़ हो रही। मेरे साथ ये फिल्म बनाने वाले कुछ 150-200 जन काम करते हैं मेरे साथ। मैं इस वक्त तो मैं उन सबका नाम नहीं ले सकता, मगर उनमें से कुछ गिने चुने हैं जो मेरे बहुत करीब हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोगों ने मेरे साथ मेरी पहली रॉक ऑन, कायपोचे और अब फितूर पे भी काम किया है, और एक हैं सुप्रतीक सेन जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को लिखा है। उन्होंने मेरे साथ कायपोचे में भी काम किया था, और हम दोनों मतलब पागल हो गए थे फिल्म को लिखते लिखते, मतलब 1.5 साल लग गया था। अनय गोस्वामी जिन्होंने मेरे साथ ये फिल्म शूट की है, और उन्होंने कायपोचे भी शूट की थी। वो एक परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं, वो एक जेंटलमैन है, और ही इज़ ऑलवेज गॉट माई बैक एंड आई ट्रस्ट हिम इम्प्लिसिटली। हम बहुत लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, मगर उनके बगैर ये फिल्म नहीं बन सकती थी। एंड दीपा भाटिया हैं जिन्होंने मेरी तीनों फिल्में एडिट की हैं, रॉक ऑन, कायपोचे और फितूर। एंड शी वॉचेज माई मूवी लाइक अ हॉक, एंड once I finish shooting it, the movie is her baby, and she would do everything to make sure that this movie is cut absolutely right. And then there's Amit Trivedi, who's done the music, and Swanand Kirkare, who's done the lyrics. So these are key people that I want to thank, and everybody else on my crew and unit. You know who you are when you hear about it. I'd like to call on stage the cast of the film. We'll start with Tabu, Aditya, and Katrina. And Katrina. I mean, we've made the movie, we've shown you the trailer, तो अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हो तो पूछ लीजिए।
I've seen the trailer for the first time.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Come wish us back. Happy New Year. Aditya, Katrina, Tabu ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you.
ये दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, ये क्या वजह है इस पूरे ट्रेलर में, अगर आप बताना चाहें अभिषेक?
ये तो आप एक्चुअली फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। इसके बारे में अभी मैं क्या बताऊं आपको?
फिर भी कुछ तो वजह होगी, 2 बार ट्रेलर में।
2 बार नहीं, ट्रेलर आपने 2 बार देखा है, आया एक ही बार है।
How tough is it to portray such full of passion characters, and what preparation you went through for this? All 3 of you.
When you have Katrina Kaif standing in front of you, you're full of passion, I think.
So for you it was natural.
Yeah, it comes naturally to you.
Okay. And Katrina, how was your experience?
I think it really helps if you believe in love that way, and that's the way that I see love. I think that love is life and love is passion, and inherently I believe that. So for me, I think with that belief, you have that conviction. And then of course, got to somebody who I've known for a very long time, and I was really excited when I got the script to work with him. And I think it took us a few days, but then after that, I think we just really connected, and everyone was on the same page and understood each other really well.
So are you a die-hard romantic? Is this going to come out from this film?
I hope it comes out from the film.
Yeah.
That's definitely the intention. Yeah, I think definitely. I think we all are diehard romantics. I'm definitely one. And this story for me was always one of my favorite stories. Of course, I'm sure you've realized it's inspired from Great Expectations, and it's always been one of my favorite stories. I think it's been one of the most romantic stories that there are in literature.
You, all three of you, looking very stunning in the trailer. It's amazing.
Thank you so much.
आदित्य उर्दू अल्फाज काफी यूज किए गए हैं, जरा उसकी तैयारी किस तरीके से की आपने, जरा बता दें.
I took some diction classes, but not too
with
much.
me.
actually. Katrina and me did some. Actually, the language that I'm using in the film is not that tough. Here and there, a few words here and there, which I kind of struggle with. But I did a few classes, and my Hindi is not that bad.
एंड कतरीना, आपने भी कुछ स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग ली इस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म के लिए?
Normally I work with, I try to work on my scenes with, with some people, with coaches and all that. Spend some time with our director, of course. I think the most important thing was for me to try and understand the mind of this girl. I'm sure you've read the book, many of you. She's always been a complicated character. Like, is she manipulative? Is she like that? Does she know what she's doing? What are her reasons? So we've spent many a night, me and Gattu and Adi, also discussing, like trying to give our, a life, trying to give our interpretation to this character.
Congratulations to the whole team. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is, before the trailer we saw, आपकी कुछ images आई थी, मतलब जहाँ आपने मतलब your well built physique हमने आपकी देखी है. So have you worked something special on your physique to make this?
Sorry, did I do something
Yeah,
special?
something for your physique.
Yeah, I starved. That's what I did for a long time. No, I did. I worked hard on my physique. I got a trainer to help me for a while, and I think it was important for this role to do it. So yeah, it required some commitment for a while. I did eat very little food and worked out twice a day for a bit, and yeah, it doesn't come easy.
Katrina, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि be it Fitur or your upcoming movie with Siddharth Malhotra, you are romancing with juniors. So what do you want to say about this new phase of your career?
Juniors. Does that mean that he should be addressing me as Katrina G? I think he should start.
Huh, Anji?
See, he's not even listening. See, he's my junior, but he's not even listening. Actually, let me tell you a little secret. So, I think me and Adi is my senior. We've been through this many
Actually
times
a
in the
senior.
film. He's actually my senior. And I think is it 11 years ago? About 11 years ago, me and Adi have done an ad film together where I'm putting on some lipstick, like this, and then this boy peeps through the window and goes, like that.
Basically-
and that boy was Adi.
Basically, I was the extra and getting paid 1/10 of what she was for that. But we both started working at the
But
same
we
time.
both started at the same time. And if you really want some entertainment in your day, you should type onto YouTube an interview me and Adi have done together for
For Channel V.
Channel
When
V.
I was a VJ, yeah.
Yeah, I think it was for Partner, for the movie
Goddess Diaries.
Yeah, Goddess Diaries. It's
Correct.
really funny. Adi has hair,
No,
and I'm this big. And we're talking together like this. It's really funny. You should see it. So we've actually known each other. We realized it. I don't think I remembered, but we realized it when we started shooting this film that actually we worked together like 11 years ago. So it was actually kind of funny.
yeah, so she's my junior. So I think you can call me G.
Okay, sure.
So, today there was a report that Rekha ma'am opted out of the film because the character had similarities with a real life. So, how true is the report?
I think it's very unfortunate that some sections carry news like that. When we started out, Rekha ji was doing the film. She's a wonderful, gracious, generous, and a very loving lady. During the course of making the film, we just saw things a little differently. And right in the very beginning, we thought it was best that we didn't do this film together and we could work on something else in the future. But when reports like this come out, I think it's not fair to that lovely lady because she's quite reserved and she's a very private person. So she will not stand up and say something to safeguard her own interest. But I think we should be more cautious. And I think it's downright cruel to say something like that about her. For whatever reasons, we parted ways on that film. And having said that, I had Tabu, who very graciously came on board. And this is a kind of part that would have taken someone months of preparation. someone who would have to, get into the skin of this character because it is so layered. And I really want to thank Tabu for this because she came on in a matter of 3 days to rescue us from the situation that we were in, And yeah, I mean, that's what I can say. More than that, I don't know what to say on this.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well. Excellent promo. I think it's really fantastic. You're looking outstanding. Aditya is looking outstanding as well. Tabu ma'am as well. Now, my question is that it's based on great expectations, and your character is based on Estelle. It's a beautiful character over there as well. You share a very interesting relationship with your mother, Miss Havisham, which is, I think, played by Tabuji. Now she is supposed to have her idiosyncrasies and certain nature. Now how was that sort of bonding that you've shared with Tabuji, and what sort of process was there?
So I think the hardest bit of acting that I had to do in the film was pretending that Tabu is my mother, because she does not look like my mother from any angle. She's like a friend. So I said, come on, I can't call you. But I've actually also, I mean, I really enjoyed the days that we shot together in the film. Just we spent a lot of time talking, and I don't know how much you've interacted with Tabuji, but she's really one of the warmest people and completely so down to earth and genuine. So actually, those conversations are some of my warmest memories from the film. And she's a phenomenal actress, so you just have to remember, like when you're in front of every great actor, you have to remember to not get lost in their performance, but to contribute to their performance. So first you'd be like, oh, let's see what she's gonna do. And then you'd be like, okay, no, act. Yeah, my turn. So yeah, I think we've just been really fortunate that that she was gracious enough to step in into the role.
As far as literature is concerned, you've played such roles in the past in terms of Macbeth, and you've done Heather. As far as now, how is your process like when you're given such roles which have a lot of layers to it? They are excellent characters in their own way with their complexes and all these things. How is your approach like for something like Miss Havisham and other characters that you've done?
In this film, I had 2 days to get into this film and this character, so I really don't know what the process was, or if there was any process. I just went into it with just some really confused head about, and because we were shooting the last scenes first, so I was just trusting my director, Gattu, and since I've known him since we were 16, I knew I could just trust him. And I don't know, I guess there is some internal process which I cannot describe, but I think it happens as we go in the film. And like Gattu always says, film mein to bante banti hai. So,
well, like such intense role in terms of there are a lot of layers to it. They are not easy persons to play somehow. Be it namesake that you've had, they're not easy persons to portray on screen. I'm assuming that.
Fortunately, unfortunately, they come to me with all these characters. So I think I'm kind of used to portraying these people. I don't know, it must be something about me that attracts these complex and difficult people for me to play. So I think
that Katrina's is the most complex role in this film. So can you tell us about the whole process about...
Firstly, I'd like to say that the story is based on great expectations, but we've given it a bit of a twist. I did that with Kai Poche as well. It was an adaptation of a book, but there is I take on material like this where I feel that I could add some value to it. It's been made several times in the West, and but somewhere I felt that in all humility, I'd like to say that there's something I feel I could contribute into this story. Yeah, as far as their parts are concerned and Katrina's part is concerned, it is very complex to understand the state of mind. I mean, it is very complex to understand any girl's state of mind, but especially Firdaus, and how do you say this? You really don't know what's in her heart. In fact, even for Firdaus, she herself doesn't know her heart, and there's a way that she's programmed to think, there's a way she's been programmed to be, like you are actually a product of your own experiences, and you are a product of what your family brings you up to be like. And if your parents and your upbringing is devoid of certain basic emotions, you will never know that you have them until you have some kind of an emotional breakthrough or something that breaks through that part of your personality and sets you free. So I think her character is like that, and you know, you could do certain actions knowingly, but if you do not know that it is in you, I mean, I can talk about all of this, but to perform it and to play that part becomes really complex, you know. And I must give it to Katrina that on set, she was always open-minded, and she was always willing to push the envelope as far as the performance was concerned. And, you know, I think I personally am very happy with the work that she has done in the film. And
Did the characterization change? I mean, did anything change there?
no, the characterization didn't change at all actually. But you know, if Rekha ji had played it, she would have played it her own way. And Tabu has played it in her style and you know, got into the skin of the character and made it her own. And with Tabu, you know, she's like water. You know, you can put her in a container of any shape, and she'll just get around it and make it her own. And I know, like when she says that she can't describe it, I don't think I've worked with her, and I also can't describe it. But her every take that she puts out has such fluidity to it, and it's different, and you don't know which one to pick. So, you know, she throws 3 of those takes in, and then you say, I'll just keep all 3 right now, and then let's just get on, and then she gives you 3 more. And then on the edit table, you sit, isko iske saath jodte hain, usko iske saath jodte hain, and then you just kind of, you know, she's so generous, yeah. So, इनके बारे में क्या कहें?
Just now you said it's very difficult to read a woman's mind. Do you agree?
I disagree. I'm sorry. I've actually
Your reasons to disagree?
I think that women know their mind more than men.
Yes.
And I can only speak for myself, but I know that I know my mind. I'm very certain of my mind. Perhaps sometimes too certain, which probably is my weakness. But I think men know their minds less, which is actually probably. Sorry, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean sometimes, which is actually what. Stop laughing. It's true. I think women know their minds very well. But this character, which is based on Great Expectations, I think one of the reasons that I was so drawn to it is exactly the reasons that Gattu described right now, is that I think she has been raised to have the mind, almost like the mind of a man. And I think that that's quite interesting. The mind of some men, of course, no, you cannot generalize all men or all women. But she has she has a mind which is so unlike mine. I think for me that was just something interesting to explore.
See, the perspective is going to change. A male is obviously going to have a different perception and perspective of a woman's mind. A woman is obviously going to have a different one. So,
you know, you're working like a same genre film, like, you know, earlier you have done Aski 2 and Daute Ishq, again romantic film. So you want to be identified as a romantic hero, and so you are not putting any other genres. So can you comment about this, sir?
This hasn't been by plan or anything. They've all been different from each other in the same genre. They've been different types of films. But I would love to do different stuff, but people have to come to me with those things. And
Do you-
I rarely get excited by too many scripts. So
Do you identify yourself as a romantic hero in the industry?
I've done 3 romantic films back to back, so I think I can call myself that for now.
ये जो फिल्म है इसमें जो मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं वो सारे उर्दू भाषी हैं और आपने फिल्म में उन्हें ऐसा दिखाया है कि दोनों जो आपका जो पॉपुलर डायलॉग है सनी देओल वाला, दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, तो क्या ये टेररिज्म पर बेस्ड है या फिर जो इनका कैरेक्टर है रानी साहिबा का वो पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखती हैं?
एक्चुअली ये डायलॉग को लेके मैं आपसे अभी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ये आप जब फिल्म देखेंगी तो आपके लिए
पर रानी साहिबा का कैरेक्टर क्या पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखता है?
जी थोड़ा बहुत रखता है, मगर ये खुद पाकिस्तान से नहीं, ये कश्मीर के हैं। मगर जी हाँ, एंड इट्स नॉट एन एंटी पाकिस्तान फिल्म इन एनी वे, in any way, absolutely. It's just one particular moment in the film that the character behaves in such a way. Yeah, that's that.
किस तरह से प्रमोशन होने वाले हैं फिल्म का, किस तरह से आपने स्ट्रेटजी बनाई है फिल्म के बारे में?
इस तरीके से जैसे हमने आज शुरू किया है और टुडे आज 4th है और हमें 5 वीक्स हैं 12th के पहले, बट हम एकदम बैंग के साथ हमने स्टार्ट किया है, तो वील कंटिन्यू विद द बैंग. वी हैव सम अमेजिंग सॉन्ग्स. I don't want to say more because Abhishek Kapoor will probably say not be very happy, but there's lots for us to do in the next 5 weeks.
कटरीना, आपसे सवाल है कि ये इश्क नहीं है आसान जो टैगलाइन है, आपकी जिंदगी में कितना इश्क आसान है और नहीं आसान है? जी कटरीना,
cheered.
It was just like a hit me for a moment. I think that never a truer line has been spoken. No, it's.
I agree with that.
It's just not.
It's not
just
easy.
Not
It's
easy.
easy. What can you do?
It's not easy. But even though it's not easy, I think it also can be the most beautiful thing. And I guess that's why so many movies are made on love, because it is so complex. It's so hard to understand. We don't understand it. So I think it's a very, very apt line that our director has chosen.
Oh, there were reports recently that there's because of the shoot has extended, the Fitur shoot has extended, because of which you had to cut down on your New Year plans, and instead of an island you had to go to Goa, and you're upset with the team of Fitur. So is this true?
I wish that I was in Goa. This is a better version of the story of what happened. I actually was in Bombay shooting. Where were we shooting? Filmistan. So we were in Filmistan shooting for something. It wasn't that it was a reshoot. It was just there was a portion which our director wanted to just add to elaborate on something, and so we obviously were up against the deadline. So me and Adi have spent a wonderful Christmas in Filmistan.
Yes.
It was lovely.
Also, Katrina, we absolutely love the poster where you and Adi are there in the poster.
You've seen it, Katrina?
Yeah. So, recently we have seen a similar pose, where Adi is replaced with Ranbir. So, what do you have to say about that?
Where is this poster? Show me now.
In the papers and websites.
They cut out my face and put
Put
his
it in the
face.
newspaper and cut out his face.
And fans are really loving that.
I'm so sorry.
As in Photoshop, they took out my head and put his head like that.
Adi, I always wanted to be you.
It was a real life picture.
Adi, it's your poster. It'll always be you.
Yeah.
I'll never cut you out of the poster.
No, it was a real life picture. It was a balcony picture, real life picture, wherein, where you were embraced. You were embracing.
I was embraced.
No, you were embracing.
It's always wonderful to be embraced. It's so wonderful.
Embarrassing.
Fans are really loving that picture, and that picture's gone viral. So.
Our picture?
No.
Our poster.
The one with Ranbir.
This one's also gone viral.
The one
Alright,
with
we will make this one go viral.
Amrita, yeah, Tamasha was also a romantic flick, and this one is also, Fitur is also a romantic flick. Are you going to promote it the same way you promoted Tamasha?
Not really, because every film is different, and Tamasha was a different film, this is a different film, and we'll do fun things in this film promotion as well. But yeah, I don't think you can compare two movies. I know what your question is, but I don't want to answer it. So,
how the youth will be get connected with your movie Fitur?
We will really have to ask the youth this question.
Okay.
Certainly not me.
So.
We have two.
I'm
the
youth?
lead pair. No, the
Wow.
general youth of the country. The lead pair is a young pair in love. So I think that says it all. The story is about their love and the torment that their love experiences, and of course the torment of each of our characters. So I'm sure they'll get connected to the film through the emotion of love, which I'm sure, like Katrina said, everybody feels. And everybody feels passion, especially when you're younger, you feel a lot more passionate.
Yeah.
So I guess everybody who has love and passion in their heart is going to connect to the lead pair and to the film.
And since, as a tormentor, do you come in the way of the romantic couple in their, this thing,
Well, you'll have to see the film to... for you to understand what her participation is in the story. But consciously or unconsciously, she has a role to play in their love story also.
अच्छा, आप तीनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आप तीनों के जीवन में कौन सा फितुर सर चढ़ के बोलता है? Start with Katrina. Katrina? फितुर? Okay, Tabu, start with Tabu.
अगर होता तो अब तक कुछ हो चुका होता ना.
आदित्य?
This film, nothing else.
ऐसा थोड़ी, ये फिल्म तो अभी आई है.
हाँ तो. But I've been working on it for 1.5 years now.
नहीं, उसके पहले?
उसके पहले
कोई
दावत
फितूर नहीं
इश्क
था?
थे, दावत इश्क थे उसके पहले आशिकी ये
माने
जवानी।
फिल्मी फितूर था.
करेक्ट ओनली
Okay. Katrina?
Oh, I don't have an answer right now.
What kind of fitur keeps on your mind always, like, you know? It must have been there.
इनको काम का जुनून है वैसे अगर आप इनको सेट पे देखेंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सबसे ज्यादा फितूर इन्हीं को है कि जिस तरीके से ये काम करती हैं और जितने डेडिकेशन से ये काम करती हैं, सुनती हैं और करती हैं, इन्हें काम का फितूर बिल्कुल है.
I agree. I must say, Katrina is the most hardworking actress I've ever met, I have ever seen and worked with. We had only 3 days of shooting, but the involvement with which she works was amazing.
Film obviously talks about, you know, the difficulty in two people uniting. As a star, as a top star, what do you think is the most difficult thing when you're in love?
It depends who you're in love with. Because in love, the opposition either comes from an outside force or it comes from the person you're in love with. So I think every relationship and every love story has its own conflict and has a different conflict. Sometimes it can be the conflict of you know, as I said, a third party. It can be the conflict of uncertainty. It can be the conflict of afraid of commitment. It can be so many conflicts. So I think it really does just depend who you're in love with.
Any encounters that you could relate to in your character vis-a-vis your own life? Because that's what an actor derives from, right?
I think yes, but I think also there's probably, it's not that you literally translate everything from your own life onto film, but I think you can use moments of pain in your life to depict that, you know, if you need to show that in a film, or moments of happiness, moments of great love you felt, great sorrow. You can use those moments, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be exactly the same circumstance.
Abhishek, there is a steamy kiss that Katrina shares with Aditya, and given the kind of sanskari
Who said that? Who said that?
So there is nothing.
Nothing like that.
You know, given the kind of censor board that we have in place today, do you expect any troubles when it comes to getting the film certified?
No, I'm not expecting any kind of troubles. I've not done anything wrong. I'm making a movie. It's about love, you know, and I'm not going to anticipate something that I don't perceive should exist. So keep the negativity away.
There were reports that Ajay Devgan would be playing a cameo in the movie. Is it true? Is it not true? Anything that you would like to say?
I wouldn't comment on that either.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina, on that day.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It was great knowing you. Bye bye.
This holiday she is definitely taking.
Feb 14th, I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mark my words, we're promoting.
Feb 12th को film लगेगी. Feb 14th को इनके घर के बाहर line लग जाएगी लड़कियों की तो.
Who has red hair in the film?
So the connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously it's meant. I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that, you know, like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way, she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gatu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's you know, film Kashmir is a backdrop, and Kashmir की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and the beautiful ladies in the movie.
To the members of the cast, have you read the novel The Great Expectations? And which cinematic adaptation of the novel do you like the most?
I haven't watched it. I haven't read it, sorry. I haven't read it, no. So, because I wanted to just read the script and derive whatever I had to derive from whatever was there on the script. If I was going to read the book, then I might have been looking for things that weren't there in the script. So, the script is like your Bible and you just take from that, is the way that I kind of approached it.
We've seen in the recent past that Heather had Kashmir as one of its backdrops, and we're seeing some sort of element of Kashmir in Fitur as well. Are you foreseeing any sort of, and Heather has had a lot of opposition and it won a lot of praise as well. So do you see that maybe in terms of opinions, maybe there that...
No, I don't see any similarity whatsoever in this movie and Heather. I mean, you know.
I'm saying in terms of the backdrop of in a way, Kashmir in a way.
No, I mean, even Kabhi Kabhi is shot in Kashmir. So is there any similarity?
Conflict in Kashmir. Conflict in Kashmir.
No, there's absolutely zero similarity between Heather and Fitur, other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. Yeah. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story, and it's about heartbreak. It's about, I mean, absolutely no similarities.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
आपको बता दूं कि फितूर फिल्म आ रही है 12 फरवरी को और जितने लोग यहाँ पर मीडिया वाले बैठे हैं वो सब बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। आप लोग तैयार करें, इंतजार करें कि नहीं कर रहे हैं? यस। लेकिन आपको बता दूं कि इश्क नहीं आसा, इतना समय डीजे आपका दरिया है, डूब के जाना है। ये जो आपने लाइन को इतने अच्छे अंदाज में यूज किया वाकई काबिल तारीफ है। तो चलिए आप लोग लोगों को एंटरटेन करते हैं, हम यहाँ पर एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं डांस के जरिए, परफॉर्मेंस के जरिए। तो अभी तो आप तैयार रहिएगा, कोई आपके लिए भी परफॉर्म के लिए ठीक है? तैयार है? यस ओके, एक बार जोरदार तालियां। लेकिन उसके पहले आदित्य कपूर, तो क्या बताऊं मैं इनके बारे में, पहली फिल्म से हम लोग साथ में हैं। लेकिन जितने लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, अभिषेक के गट्टू के बारे में बताऊंगा कि जब ये एक्टिंग करा करते थे आज से 15 साल 16 साल पहले, टीवी करते थे, तब मैंने इनका इंटरव्यू लिया था, तो ये मेरे घर के हुए। लेकिन आदित्य इस समय हमारे साथ में मौजूद हैं एंड कटरीना। तो आप लोग हमेशा आते रहे हमारे रेडियो स्टेशन में, इसलिए मैं आपको ये आईडी कार्ड दे रहा हूं। और इस आईडी कार्ड में क्या लिखा है जरा गौर से पढ़िए जी। जॉब ऑफर है कटरीना। मैंने आदित्य है कि एक्टिंग की दुकानदारी चलती रहे, जब बारी आएगी रेडियो में तो आपसे रेडियो को उपयोग। अच्छा क्या लिखा हुआ है इस अंदर?
आदित्य कपूर, एम्प्लॉय कोड 104, डेजिग्नेशन तुम्ही हो, ब्लड ग्रुप फितूर, लोकेशन जिम।
कटरीना
Name is Katrina Kaif. Employee code 104. Destination Afghan Jalebi. Blood group Chikni. Location mobile wallpaper.
चलिए आइए आप सभी के बीच में बहुत ही खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंस। आइए।
अरे
That's amazing. And this girl's on another level, huh? She's rocking it.
एक्चुअली इसको हायर किया आज के लिए हम लोगों ने.
I thought as much.
But you're wrong.
ये दोनों प्रोफेशनल डांस.
No, wrong. Absolutely wrong. No. बिल्कुल नहीं है. ये हमारे रेडियो जॉकी हैं. मॉर्निंग शो करते हैं. मॉर्निंग रेडियो जॉकी एंड रंगीली रुचि. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. एंड मुंबई शिमुल की उर्मिन. सिर्फ रेडियो जॉकी. आप क्या मजाक समझ रहे हैं? ये आरजे हैं.
मुझे लगा दोनों प्रोफेशनल डांसर्स हैं. बॉस्को जी के ग्रुप से आए हैं दोनों.
एक्चुअली आज के परफॉर्मेंस के लिए इन्होंने 1.5 साल की प्रैक्टिस की थी और तभी ये नौकरी इसीलिए कर रहा था. सिर्फ आपसे मिलने के लिए नौकरी कर रहा था ये. ओके एंड और कौन है? हाँ, पिक्चर पांडे, अनुराग पांडे. यस. चार्ली चिकना. वे चार्ली चिकना जो आप सुन रहे थे. चार्ली. कैसा लगा परफॉर्मेंस?
बहुत ही बढ़िया. I think it's actually quite surreal कि यहाँ पे आया रेडियो इंटरव्यू करने के लिए. मेरे ये मतलब ये एक्सपीरियंस मिला.
ये सिर्फ कटरीना का प्यार है बस. I can feel it. Anyway, हमारे पास बहुत सारे मीडिया के लोग हैं जो पूछना चाहते हैं.
Normally people call us and make us dance. You've called us and you've entertained us.
That's why ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही है कि आपको एंटरटेन करना. No, but genuinely guys, क्योंकि हम लोग हैं एंटरटेनमेंट का बाप. आप नहीं हो बेटा. थैंक यू. अच्छा, बहुत सारे मीडिया के लोग इस समय हमारे साथ में हैं जो कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. ओके. अच्छा, कैमरा.
तीनों ही लोगों को रिस्पांस कैसे मिल रहा है, मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि आप लोगों को कैसे मिल रहा है. जिसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को. आप लोगों को रिस्पांस कैसे मिल रहा है इंडस्ट्री से भी, फैन से भी?
It's quite overwhelming actually. आज हमारा कल गाना रिलीज किया था, आज नंबर 1 देखा iTunes पे. तो मुझे तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है, मगर these people don't react क्योंकि इनकी लाइफ में तो रोज ही होता है.
कटरीना, आदित्य, आप लोगों से जानना चाहेंगे इंडस्ट्री से किसी का कॉल या कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट अब तक फितूर को लेकर?
I've got a few calls, yeah, but I think most importantly my mom likes it, so that's important. My parents approve of it. No, but on a serious note, I've got positive reviews so far. Everyone is, they won't tell me if they don't like it also.
कटरीना, आपसे?
I think my most amazing reaction so far have actually been from the media, from all the friends in the media, and that's really special. I mean, I've got quite a few messages from people. I think it's still early, so I'm not yet completely believing in it. That's what I think Abhishek said, there's no reaction, but it's just that it's such early days. I need it yet to sink in, and I really hope people like everything from the film, and so far the media have been really, really supportive and really sweet.
कटरीना, अभिषेक किस तरह के डायरेक्टर हैं? मतलब कैसा इनका जो नेचर या एटीट्यूड होता था, क्या बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हैं या किस तरह के हैं? थोड़ा सा जानना चाहिए.
Actually, it's hard to understand Abhishek, and the funny thing is I've known Abhishek for quite some years now. I've known him a lot, and we never spoke to each other. We've never. I've seen him at parties. I've seen him in many places, and we just never spoke. You know, we were those kind of people you always see each other, and you're like, what's up? And you just kind of go your separate ways. So there was a lot of uncertainty. I didn't know what he thought. We didn't know each other. But during the making of the film, I really got to know him. And during the making of the film, we had a blast. I was completely in agreement with everything with him, and I thought he was just the coolest guy in the world. And we really had a lot of fun.
आदित्य के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आदित्य के साथ पहले
आदि के साथ वो मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगा. थोड़ा सा मतलब पता नहीं. हाँ, पता नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है. लेकिन करना पड़ता है तो.
आदित्य, आपका क्या रिप्लाई है?
So when I first heard that there's a chance of being in this film, तो मुझे पता चला कि कटरीना है फिल्म में. So I didn't ask for the script, I just kind of yeah, then I just found out the script. No, I was very happy, I was very excited to work with her, and it was fun to work with her for many reasons.
अभिषेक ट्रेलर अभी अभी लॉन्च हुआ है और फिल्म नेक्स्ट मंथ में रिलीज है, तो प्रमोशन का बहुत कम टाइम मिलेगा। प्री प्लानिंग थी कि हम लोग बहुत कम ये गैप रखेंगे या कुछ और रीजन था?
एक्चुअली कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं किया था, ये just turned out the way it has. And I think we've got a good marketing team and our UTV team is well prepared and well equipped. So they're just going to blast it out now for the next month.
आपकी लाइन मुझे भी चेतन भगत की किताब पे आधारित है, ये भी ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन पे आधारित है। तो आपने स्क्रिप्ट में कितने चेंजेस किए स्क्रिप्ट के लिए, मतलब, और कभी आप बताएंगे कि आपने तो किताब पढ़ी हुई है, तो हाउ डू यू अडॉप्ट द चेंज?
मुझसे पहले क्वेश्चन
पहले आपसे
तो एक्चुअली जब मैंने ये किताब मैंने काफ़ी साल पहले पढ़ी थी, एक्चुअली स्कूल में बचपन में पढ़ी है, और इसका हार्ट और सोल तो बहुत ही बेसिक है, या किसी भी देश में कहीं पे भी ये लोग इस कहानी के साथ रिलेट कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि इट्स अबाउट लव एंड अबाउट हार्ट ब्रेक। एंड मुझे लगा कि ये कहानी बहुत हमारे इंडियन ऑडियंस के लिए बेहतरीन रहेगी और उनको कहानी भी पसंद आएगी। और जहाँ तक सवाल इसको चेंज करने का है, अभी हमारे लोगों के लिए, हमारे देश के लिए जब कहानी बनती है तो थोड़ा सा अडेप्टेशन करना पड़ता है ताकि इसका सही इम्पैक्ट पड़े हमारे ऑडियंसेस के लिए। तो जो करना था हमने कर लिया, बाकी तो ऑडियंस बनाएगी।
कटरीना जो चेंजेस किए गए हैं अभी, मतलब क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में? आपने किताब पढ़ी?
Even though I've read the book, of course, Great Expectations, and I've seen the films that have been made on the book, when I got the script from Abhishek, I really just judged it as an entirely new movie, as an entirely new film. Because most of the people who hopefully will come in and see the film will probably not have read the book. So I really just judged it completely as a new film. How is this story? What does this story say? And honestly, to me, I found it to be one of the most romantic films, one of the romantic stories that I ever heard and that I ever read. And for me, that was instantly why I wanted to be a part of it, because I think everybody loves romance and everybody loves passion, and this film really depicted it in such a beautiful, classic way.
सिद्धार्थ, आपने लॉन्च भी बताया,
ये हमारा आदि
भाई है
That's okay, everyone calls me Karina.
आपने लॉन्च में बताया था कि आपने किताब अभी तक नहीं पढ़ी। खास वजह, अगर आप किताब पढ़ते हो ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर करेंगे।
उसको वजह कि आई थिंक गट्टू ने बुक को अडैप्ट किया स्क्रिप्ट में, and if I was going to read the book and those elements were not going to be there in the script, then it would not make any sense, because I would be looking for things that don't exist. I have to just take whatever is there in the script and develop my character based on that. So I didn't want to cloud my judgment by reading the book and then reading the script. I would get confused.
Just one question. Hello. Mr. Bachchan is now the new brand ambassador of Incredible India campaign, which had Amir Khan as the ambassador. Just need a quick reaction on it, if you want.
Can we keep this to the
They just
film
stick to the
only?
film,
Let's
please.
just stick to the film, please.
They both are
amazing.
Both incredible.
Is it true कि ऐसे ही सुनाई दिए जा रहे हैं कि आप Dawn 3 में साथी के साथ काम करने वाले हैं? Is it true?
That's also incredible, if that's true. This is all good news to me.
Thank you. Katrina, recently
Now doing Dawn 3 and Kabir Khan's next Riddhic.
These are both amazing films. I pray that they're happening, and I pray they're happening with me.
या कटरीना सुल्तान के सेट पर आप रही थी, ऐसी करके आई थी, तो फैंस अंदाजा लगा रहे हैं कि कटरीना सलमान के अपोजिट होने वाली है सुल्तान में।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Actually, we were dubbing for Fitur, and I think there's some shooting going on. Ali Abbas Zafar, the director of Mere Bade Ki Dulan, I think there's some shooting going on there, but no, I've not gone on anyone's set.
Thank you guys, thank you.
या एज यू नो कि मैंने कश्मीर के साथ बहुत काम किया है. 4 साल हो गए कश्मीर के साथ काम करते करते. एंड जब वो फिल्म रॉकस्टार के साथ शुरू किया था, एंड देन मिजवा इज़ एन NGO दैट वी सपोर्ट, एंड वहाँ पे 40 women workers आज 200 हो गए हैं. एंड 2016 इज़ अ ईयर फॉर Ode to Make in India. So there's mirror work, there is Banarsi brocade, there is a lot of bandhani, which I want to promote. There's a lot of Banarsi fabric. I was in Banaras and I met a lot of the weavers. I want to give them a lot more work than they have. And this is just a small step that you saw towards that. And this year there's going to be a lot more of Indian fabric from my side and my collections.
आपको कैसा लगा? आपको कैसा लगा? हमें देखते अच्छा लगा, हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's an honor every time you Manish asks me at least to walk, and you can hold it for me, it's fine. So it's always lovely, yeah? It's a pleasure to walk for him. So this was just another one of those lovely times, yeah. Release हो गई. The video is released
this morning. Well, to shoot the song Pashmina, both me and Adi had to give up our Christmas and New Year's holidays. So we really, really worked hard for it. Yes. And I think now we're just really hoping that the response is good and that people like it. We really worked hard for it. We literally broke a few things and a few injuries, few bones were broken. But Bosco also has done a beautiful job, and it's amazing. And also to walk the ramp here again today for Manish is really fun. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. And of course, Manish is someone who I work with him mainly in films, but his work is always so spectacular. And after so many years, to see someone work with so much passion, I mean, the way he works is like he's still proving himself when he's the best that there is, and so successful. And that is really, really inspiring to me, I think, personally. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. That really makes me feel that it was worth giving up all those holiday days. But yeah, I do, honestly, we did work really, really hard. I won't lie to you and say that, no, we just, it was a lot of hours of dance rehearsals, Adi, me, a lot of yelling, a lot of fighting, a lot of struggling. No, we really, really worked hard. And I think Bosco also and Gattu, the director, Abhishek, they really were out there to kind of, everyone just put their heart and soul into the song, and I really hope people, I hope people like it. It's a special song to me. No, that comes naturally. I mean, that's just like, yeah. I eat pizza in the morning, I eat pasta at night. I mean, no. You've hit the nail right on the head. Yes, I really have to work very, very hard to try and, keep, as you should as an actor. It is hard work, and Yasmin is such a dear person to me, and she's so helpful. I mean, without her, I really wouldn't be able to do that.
Well, मेरे लिए एक फीलिंग थी जब हम बनारस की बात करें, जब हम बात करें कि मेक इन इंडिया, तो मुझे लगा कि ये बेयर फीट चलना, मोगरे की खुशबू हो, हमारा एक बहुत ही वोवन फैब्रिक है एज अ रैम्प. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये धागे हैं, इसलिए कलेक्शन को रीगल थ्रेड्स कहते हैं. एंड ये कलेक्शन, ये लुक थी कलेक्शन की. तो आदित्य से जब मैंने कहा सुबह कि आप ऐसा करेंगे, तो उन्होंने कहा मैं 100% करूँगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में मेरा टैटू नहीं है, तो when I got a chance to wear one, I said I'm just going to jump at it, so I'm going to keep this on for a few days. Manish, you have one on as well.
I could only manage one in all that working. मगर मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूँगा, when it comes to regal threads, and when it came to something, a collection which is Indian, I think for me, Aditya Roy Kapur looks very regal, stylish, cool, and I just love his energy, because मैं जब भी इनसे मिलता हूँ, पार्टी में हो या कहीं भी हो, वो बहुत relaxed और cool रहते हैं. कटरीना के साथ मैंने बहुत काम किया है, and मैं बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ उन्हें. but I have seen her work hard, and she was beautiful, she is beautiful, and she'll always be beautiful. She's a very, very hard-working person. I love working with her. She's particular. We are both all about fits, so हम लोग हमेशा बहुत से fittings करते हैं. And look at her. I think she's stunning, and I'm very grateful and thankful कि जब मैंने उनसे कहा कि ये show करिए, they agreed and they said yes. So thank you.
Sorry? I don't think this is the right platform for this. This is a very special show which Manish has put together on behalf of an amazing charity which is doing really, really amazing work and supporting people whose lives and livelihood really depends on, basically literally what we're wearing. And I think let's keep it to that tonight. And I just personally want to say one more thing. Thank you so much to Manish for being a part of Fitur. He is a part of the Fitur family. He has, in a certain way, also been part of the film. And he's really, really been gracious to have us here tonight and host us here. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. It's been an honor.
Thank you.
That's it. Well, we weren't able to go due to some various reasons. I'm not actually sure if we were supposed to go, but about the show getting off air, I just want to say for me it's a big regret that I wasn't able to go on the show. So I've personally missed that. I think Adi
I
has
was
gone on
lucky.
the
I
show.
went there once for another film, for Dawat-e-Ishq. I got to go there, and it was a fun experience. You would have had fun if. Like,
Yeah,
if
I'm
we
really
went.
sad because I never got to be on that show. But next time, whatever show he does next, he should call me first. I hope Kapil calls me first for whatever show he does next.
You want me to go alone?
Wherever the promotion team tells us to go, I think
shall
nowadays
go.
you just have to follow. It's kind of like you go there, okay, yes, we go there. So yeah, I think let's see where.
We'll call
let's
up
see-
UTV and ask them.
Yeah, let's see where it takes us.
We would like
I
to
would like to
promote
do
it
this
everywhere, anywhere. We're promoting it here also. We're promoting it while we're on the way to the airport. We're going to be promoting it everywhere. We're screaming it out of the car when we're like.
We should just, just through the airport.
We get a tattoo on our forehead of Fitur. Yeah.
I'm very flattered you asked me that question. I'm not too sure if I'm the right person to comment on how challenging things are, but I think Ranbir is one of the most talented actors in the country, and I think he can do any role with complete and utter ease. And as far as Sanjay sir is concerned, I think everyone's going to be really, really happy to have him home.
अच्छा, actually आज मैंने पेपर नहीं पढ़ी तो I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I'm not well enough informed to make a completely like an informed point of view on this. It's quite a sensitive topic. So without having all the necessary kind of know-how, it's not right to just make a comment like that. Of course, as an artist, it's great if you have the freedom of complete freedom of expression, but censorship is also important. It's just about finding the right balance, which is, I think, not an easy thing to do. It is a constant struggle, and there's no perfect way to do it. So there's going to be a give and take, and there's going to be some people that think it's wrong or right, but the endeavor is to find the right balance, and I hope we're getting there.
So thank you so much, and I want to thank Sahachari Foundation, because there are these wonderful women who come from great walks of life and have been supporting this various causes, whether it's for cancer patients, whether it's to help the weavers, and thank you so much, beautiful Katrina, gorgeous Aditya, thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you say? Public what? Into every camera one by one. So I'm just going to say Happy Republic Day. I stand alone and say Happy Republic Day. Yeah.
सर साथ में?
So no, in brief, Republic Day is significance and reach of your life. I'm just going to say, okay, so hi, I'm Aditya Roy Kapoor and Happy Republic Day. Have a great day.
And I'm Katrina Kaif, and I would like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Manish Malhotra, and it's our Republic Day. Yes, happy Republic Day to everybody. Thank you so much for being here.
फ़िलहाल मैं मनीष के काफ़ी शोज़ अटेंड कर चुकी हूँ और हमेशा वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम करते हैं एंड आई रियली लव द फैक्ट कि मनीष कोई भी डिज़ाइनर हो जो पहले कोई भी फाउंडेशन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आगे बढ़े वो हमेशा मनीष मल्होत्रा रहते हैं. सो इट्स रियली नाइस टू कम हियर एंड ऑफर हिम माय सपोर्ट एज़ वेल. ओके, एवरीवन हैव अ ग्रेट रिपब्लिक डे. I have never faced any kind of, I would say, any kind of restriction on anything that I wanted to express. So either maybe I'm not an extremely controversial person, I don't make those many controversial statements, but I've never felt in any which way restricted from expressing anything. फिलहाल फितूर, अज़हर और बहुत सारी चीज़ें.
You think Katrina Kaif is the most beautiful? Yeah, come on guys, make some noise to Aditya Roy Kapoor and Katrina Kaif. The team of Kapoor is here with us right now. And they're going now. The team of Fitur is here with us right now. Hi guys.
Good evening, everyone. So happy to be back here again.
So happy to have you guys. You like the song? It is a good song.
अब सच में बताओ कैसे लगा गाना?
अब सच में बताओ कैसी लगी केमिस्ट्री? And this is a special request from all of us. We all love the song Pashmina and Fitur. So can you guys please like a small performance? Performance? A small dance, please.
Small.
Small. Just a small bit. Small bit.
एक step.
उतना काफी नहीं होगा. काफी होगा क्या? पूरा गाना? चलो ट्राई करते हैं कुछ. excited to watch the movie? Are you going to help promote the movie? For sure, because Katrina and me both are not on social media. So you have to help us. Huh? You have to tweet and Instagram and on Facebook. Will you? I'm going to post picture with you guys every single way. You better. I will. Yes. Okay. हर 5 मिनट के बाद. हर 5 मिनट के बाद. हर 5 मिनट. I promise. I will. For that, we have our friends with us who would like to take a selfie so that we can post it everywhere. Okay. Because we are dying to watch the movie and we want everyone to watch it, right? Okay. And it's coming out on 12th of February. Woo! It's on Valentine's Day. So where are you going to be on Valentine's Day? Yes. Okay. Selfie? Yeah, selfie please. Okay, I think, yeah, they are. Yes. Selfie stick. And we want a selfie with the crowd, right? So we have to take a selfie here. We have to walk up here. Say cheese. मीडिया पीपल के साथ. अच्छा सेल्फी. चलो. एक और मीडिया पीपल. Okay. They all want a selfie. Okay, आए फोटो में. हम भी आए ना. People are very curious. They would like to know about the movie and about your roles in the film. Can you please tell us? Okay. Yeah, this is a love story. That's why we're releasing it on Valentine's Day. Yeah. So Katrina's character's name is Firdaus. My character's name is Noor. But you all don't need to know all of this. You just need to go and watch it, right? And then you'll all find out. Watch the trailer. Retweet the trailer. I think all you need to know is a love story and it's set in Kashmir and I think you all will like it. I have a feeling.
It's a very simple love story. It's about love. If you love somebody, you never give up, you never stop trying. And in the end, if it's real, it will come to you. That's what it's about. I hope you all go and see the film on Valentine's Day. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Guys, you need to be louder for Katrina Kaif. Girls who think Aditya is cute. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for having us. Have a great night. And watch our film.
watching you live and they are like उनको पता है आप अच्छा गाते हो, so they want to listen to
To me or you should sing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because that's an easier song. Not easier, Arijit or I've not done my riyaz today. तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो कैसे हो जाएंगे जुदा। जब तुम भी हो जिंदगी, अब तुम भी हो। अंताक्षरी करते हो? Okay.
Tell me how the experience meeting with Aditya on a coffee date.
It was just wow. I was totally speechless.
What was the best moment? I mean, what did he tell you all that?
Experience working and he was completely so friendly and he made us so comfortable.
He was warm, friendly, and yeah, his smile was the most charming thing.
So did you ask him anything about like relationship things, that how he should take it forward and all?
We asked him about
His dating, but he said no, he's still single.
yeah, he definitely wanted to be like. We asked him how is he going to celebrate his Valentine's Day because Fitur is releasing Valentine's Day.
And did you like give him any tip, or he gave you any sort of tip about dating or relationship?
No, we didn't have to. He's so charming, he's so warm, we didn't have to.
So now I think we do not need to see any other life since we've seen him.
Okay. And if anything that you asked him about Fitur or something that he shared with you?
Yeah, he shared about going to Poland, Kashmir, and he says that Kashmir was the best part about Kashmir. He says Kashmir was heaven on earth, and it was a good experience altogether.
And how you see it as like a celeb all the way comes from his home to talk with his friends?
He was warm. He was very warm. He made us feel very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. Very friendly, very sweet, very humble. So it was very nice to talk to him.
Were you all like a little starstruck the moment he came in?
We were starstruck, everything possible.
But he made us feel literally comfortable.
Yeah,
like,
he made us, there was a certain comfort zone, like you're talking to a friend, not to a
star.
Okay. And lastly, so I mean, are you going to watch Fitur on
Yes! Aditya all the way. We're waiting for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
50,000 people watching you live and they are like, उनको पता है आप अच्छा गाते हो, so they want to listen.
To me, you should sing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because that's an easier song. Not easier. I've not done my riyaz today. तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो कैसे हो जाएंगे जुदा। जब तुम भी हो जिंदगी, अब तुम भी हो। अंताक्षरी करते हो? Okay.
Tell me how the experience meeting with Aditya on a coffee date.
It was just wow. I was totally speechless.
What was the best moment? I mean, what did he tell you all that?
Told us about his life, experience working with Katrina. And he was completely so friendly and he made us so comfortable. He was warm, friendly, and yeah, his smile was the most charming thing.
So did you ask him anything about like relationship things, that how he should take it forward and all?
We asked him about his dating, but he said no, he's still single. Yeah, he definitely wanted to be like. We asked him how is he going to celebrate his Valentine's Day because Fittoor is releasing Valentine's Day.
And did you like give him any tip, or he gave you any sort of tip about dating or relationship?
No, we didn't have to. He's so charming, he's so warm, we didn't have to. So now I think we do not need to see any other life since we've seen him.
Okay. And if anything that you asked him about Fittoor or something that he shared with you?
Yeah, he shared about going to Poland, Kashmir, and he says that Kashmir was the best part about Kashmir. He says Kashmir was heaven on earth, and it was a good experience altogether.
And how you see it as like a celeb all the way comes from his home to talk with his friends?
He was warm. He was very warm. He made us feel very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. Very friendly, very sweet, very humble. So it was very nice to talk to him.
Were you all like a little starstruck the moment he came in?
We were starstruck, everything possible. But he made us feel literally comfortable. Yeah, he made us, there was a certain comfort zone, like we're talking to a friend, not to a star.
Okay. And lastly, so I mean, are you going to watch Fittoor?
Yes, definitely. Aditya all the way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.